Hey, YC, my name is Krishna. I'm 21 years old. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Neuton, and I have an experience of working across various industries in different management-related roles. Currently, I'm working with two startups as the head of operations and solution strategist to both the companies. And there's a lot of role which I have to do there in like managing team, handling the inventory, logistics, inventory unit, and a lot of them. And I met my co-founder, Satyam, from the YC co-founder matching platform. And here is Satyam.
Hey YC, my name is Satyam. I'm founder and CTO of Neuton. In last 4 years, I have worked in a five startup and built three of startup from scratch. Right now, we are building Neuton. I'm very happy to work with Krishna because first day we met, we talked a lot about education, what were the problem, and after talking for I think 3 or 4 hours, we had so strong connections, and we thought we could basically build this platform very big. And I think that we have a correct team, we are hiring, we are building, and right now we are currently process of adding more content and features onto our platform.
Exactly. So we see that most of the like youngsters are facing this issue of rising on the social ladder, and we are trying to solve this problem. And for this, we are building Newton. And right now, we are launching our first product and those as roadmaps, and we are aiming to build such more products that will help our user to learn anything effectively and easily they want to learn. And in this, we really need your help, YC.